Your AI agent has moved to your group chat. Manus has just released personal AI agents, and they're inside of none other than Telegram. So essentially, you'll be able to manage your day-to-day productivity and events and things like that all through your chat app. Let me explain what this does and why it truly matters to how you work. Quick one, if you love discovering AI tools but you hate paying full price, check out Toolfinder deals. You can get exclusive discounts on the best software, and the link is in the description. So Manus, if you missed it, it's a general purpose AI agent that Meta acquired for, I think, around 2 billion, which is crazy, back in December. And it doesn't just answer questions, it starts doing things for you in the background. Well, Manus agents, that exact same concept, the same engine, is just being put inside Telegram. Yes, Telegram. Essentially, you set it up in a few minutes, you open the agents tab, scan the QR code, and there's no terminal, no config files, no API tokens, and you essentially can start planning with it. Think of it as like a chatbot, but connected to the apps that you use and love. So essentially, how does this work? Well, you can send things like text, voice messages, and it'll handle that all for you, all inside the same chat window in Telegram. You can also ask it to prepare your weekly meetings, basically pulling from your email and your calendar at the same time. And then you can do more creative stuff like ask for a different profile photo variation. And it runs off two models, Manus Max and Manus Lite, 1.6 versions each. Max is better for deeper reasoning and more creative orientated work, whilst Lite is better for quick everyday tasks. Now, here's what the funny bit is. Meta already owns the popular messaging app WhatsApp, but Manus launched on Telegram first, which is very strange. It's sort of like buying a Michelin star restaurant and then eating at Nando's, which if you're from the US, Nando's is a chicken shop in the UK. It's everywhere, so it's not necessarily a Michelin star restaurant. Apparently more platforms are confirmed though, with WhatsApp, Slack, Discord all on the horizon. But the concept is very simple. It's the idea of your AI agent being able to live wherever, and then you being able to just communicate with it without any barriers. Manus is really shaping how we consider personal chatbots and assistants. Are we just going to have one place to talk to our AI assistant all day long and then be able to just have that do stuff for us? And I think the answer is yes. However, I think Apple could potentially play a really important role in this with their App Store and with developers being able to create shortcuts, which is their very popular application. I think the abilities around shortcuts and AI detection could make Apple a potential player in the future of this. Imagine if you wanted to do 50% less by work and you were, say, on a walk or something like that. Glasses or AirPods would be the natural go-to, and a solid platform that understands every app that you use and can plug and play with it is actually a very attractive offering. So I believe Apple could be a very predominant player here because they've got some of the things that others don't. But this right now, interesting setup. I'm Francesco D'Alessio and this is Toolfinder. If you want to stay ahead of tools like this and grab deals on the best AI tools, you know where to go. Toolfinder.co. It rhymes, it's that good, you have to visit it now. Anyway, folks, thank you so much and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Cheerio for now.